evening. Hello, everybody. It's time for another Christmas unboxing. It's time for another Boxycharm unboxing. And this time we came in a very bland box. As pretty as the last one, but still, you never know. Now, what have we got here? All right, the first item, and unfortunately I'm still using my phone. I'm using my phone. I had to use it to finish the last video because my battery died in my camera. And I haven't had a chance. I should get another one. Anyway, Real Her, I Am Strong. That's cute. U-I-E. I Am Strong. A brow pencil. It's a brow pencil. Okay. Problems with everything tonight. Nothing wants to work for me. Boxes and me don't get along. There we go. There it is. Let me check this out. Ooh. I like these kind. See, they look like little pencils. Look like you could write with them. I'll try that later. Okay. Cool. Brow pencil. What's this? What have we got here? Milk Makeup. Brow gel. Oh. Look at that. Oh, that's for the brows. I need stuff for my eyebrows there, so check that out. Before and after. See the brows? See how small they are? They look like mine. And mine are worse. I have stuff on them right now. Awesome. Between that and this, have really nice defined brows. Still working on my look. Not too bad. Okay, what is this? We got something in bubble wrap. We love bubble wrap. You can pop it. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, it's all over the place. It must have come out. What is this? Temple rub. Calming temple rub. It's calming to rub your temples with or without anything, but that's interesting. This is a little box. This is like a little extra box that I ordered, so it's not like the usual subscription box. This is just a little extra that I ordered. Oh, an Eyeboost Reviving Eye Mask. It says Glam Glow. I know it's backwards in there, but Eyeboost. I think. Cool. I like masks. I'll try to get rid of the... And this, ooh, this feels heavy. 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders. Oh, look at that. I'm sorry it's backwards. I'm sorry I had to use my phone for this video. Cool, huh? Look at that. Oh, let's take a look at these, because that's the last item in there anyways. So it was just 1, 2, 3, 5 items. That's not bad. I mean, that's the usual box. This was a little extra box I ordered, but I wasn't sure what was in it. It's still a surprise. It's still Christmas. So I just got to figure out how to open this thing. Oh, look at that. Purr. It shows what's in there. It's almost like it's a mirror. See, I can see me looking at you. All right, let's see what it says. It shows here. Glasses. Oh, getting old. Okay, we got translucent. Speak much? We got translucent powder, bronzer, blush, and a highlighter. Cool. Let's take a peek. There we go. Nice. Nice, huh? Oh, this one looks like a golden beach right there. This one looks like a regular beach. Very pretty. Very nice. PUR. PUR. Still got the plastic on it. I love that. I'm never going to use these. I don't like to take the plastic off. Oh, that's beautiful. I love it. Oh, we got to do a video with these, right? Do you want to? Are you excited? Do you want me to do a video with these? 4-in-1 skin perfecting powders. Well, we definitely need skin perfecting. I have stuff on my face now, so it's not as, but that is really nice. One of those mineral powders. Oh, I don't want to get fingerprints on this. It's so pretty because I can't help it. But I like that. Okay, that's what's in that box. This is a short boxing today, but I got some exciting stuff to work with. So that's Boxycharm. I really like this Boxycharm. And I would definitely recommend that if you like some really nice products for a good price, go to boxycharm.com because they have the goods. Yeah. Yes. Stay beautiful.